Now, Korean spicy chicken is synonymous with bang. And the bang is because we're going to make a sauce very shortly.
Yep.
But you're going to marinate the chicken wings.
Yes.
And then we're going to twice cook them.
Yes.
And I'm guessing twice cooked means very, very crunchy, very, very crispy. So what we'll do now, we're going to take out this second batch. I'm going to set them aside, crank up the heat just a little bit more to about 175. Put the first batch in, if that makes any sense to you guys. I'm not trying to be Pythagoras theorem here, but it's pretty simple. They look, they smell, and I bet you they taste fantastic.